In this video, I am going to show you how to get YouTube Research tab on mobile and how to use that to get potential video ideas for your YouTube channel, and this process will be same for both iPhone and Android users. Okay, first go to App Store or Play Store and update your YouTube Studio app. Then open the app. Now tap Analytics. Here you can see this new tab Research. Just touch that. And if you didn't see that, don't worry, soon you will get that. Right now YouTube rolling out this new feature. And this is how it looks like. And using this search tab, you can easily find which topics on YouTube people will search for. For example, I type iPhone. Open this. Here also you can see that searched by YouTube viewers. Just click see more. Now you have to make videos about these topics like how to reset iPhone, like that. And here you can also save these topics. Just click these three dots and tap Save Search. That's it. Now it will be saved here. You can click and get an idea about this. And these top searches are the main thing. Here you can see these searches are based on your audience and saves. So this clearly says these are the most potential video ideas for your channel. And these are the topics your viewers actually searched for on YouTube. So why are you waiting for? Make videos about these topics. And I already made a complete video about YouTube Research tab. Watch this video. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.